much does YouTube actually pay a small channel in 2026? You see the headlines? The
Lamborghini videos? And you wonder, can a normal person,
a small creator, actually make a living on this platform? Let's cut through the noise and look at the real numbers. First, the hard truth. There's no magic salary. Your earnings depend on your niche, your audience's location, and how you monetize. The most common path is the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. As of 2026, the entry requirements have evolved. You will generally need at least 500 subscribers and 3,000 public watch hours to start earning from things like fan funding, but to unlock ad revenue, the bar is higher. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you're in the YPP and ads are running, you'll hear about CPM and RPM. CPM is what advertisers pay per 1,000 views. RPM is your actual revenue per 1,000 views after YouTube takes its cut. These numbers are not universal. A finance channel targeting viewers in the US will have a much higher CPM than a gaming channel with an audience in a market with lower ad spend. For a small channel, RPMs can range from $1 or $2 to over $20 in high-value niches. So, let's do the math. Say your small channel gets 50,000 views a month, and your RPM is $5. That's $250 a month from ads. It's not life-changing money, but it's a start. To hit a goal like $2,000 a month from ads alone with that same $5 RPM, you'd need 400,000 views. But here, that's the secret the big creators know. Ad revenue is just one piece of the puzzle. Smart creators diversify. Affiliate marketing is huge. You recommend a product to use, and if someone buys through your link, you get a commission. This can easily double or triple your ad revenue. Then there's selling your own products, like digital guides, courses, or merchandise. Even with a small, dedicated audience, this can become your primary source of income, far surpassing what you make from ads. And don't forget fan funding through features like Super Chat and channel memberships. The key takeaway for a small channel in 2026 is this. Do you just chase views for ad money? Build a community. Provide real value. Diversify your income streams from day one. That is how you turn a small channel into a sustainable business.